Hi, I'm Obi. This is Obi's Crafts and Stuff, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cheap and easy clamp rack. I've finally outgrown my little clamp rack and needed something bigger. I wanted to make one quick and didn't cost much, so this is what I came up with. I had this large piece of plywood that was left over from a previous project. While calling it scrap wood would be a stretch, it was now more in the way than it was anything else, so to me it's scrap. I cut down 4 strips that were roughly the same width as a 2x4. I set up clamps and laid out the strips so the pretty faces would be on the outside. I applied glue and spread it out evenly and flipped the boards so the insides would meet. The main thing to worry about here is to just not glue all 4 strips together. While the glue is setting, I cut 2 more strips. One will be used to bolt to the wall, the other will get chopped into 4 pieces. After those 4 pieces are cut out, I glue them together the same way I glued the 4 big strips. Again, just be careful not to glue all 4 pieces together. I drilled holes that were just big enough for the black pipe to fit through. This is where the uprights will connect to the wall piece. I curved the outside ends of them with my bandsaw and then smoothed everything out on the sander. Now back to the upright strips that I glued earlier. I taped both uprights together and I drilled a hole every 6 inches from top to bottom. This will give me a lot of room to move the pipe around and utilize the rack as I need it. I gave the top end of each upright a curve with the jigsaw. Then I gave the tabs and uprights a small round over to remove the sharp edges. The tabs get countersunk and pre-drilled as I'm going to drill these to the ends of the strip that will get bolted to the wall. I start the screws through the tabs so just the tips will be poking through. And then I press that into the end of the wall strip so I have reference points on where to pre-drill. This will help avoid any splitting of the plywood. I connect all the pieces together with one pipe and set it up against the wall. After I get everything level, I use Tapcon screws to bolt the rack to the wall. After that, it's just a matter of putting the pipe in and setting up your clamps. The pipe I used was 1/2 inch black iron pipe. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.